Hey, hello everyone. I am Shashwato and I work as a SDE too with one of the big techs, Microsoft. And today I wanted to make a video on the buzzword of 2025 and also 2024 and maybe even before that, AI. So, if you see the trend on the internet right now, it's like everybody is trying to teach you some AI tool, right? But what does this mean for people who are especially in tech field? I am not sure about how it will affect other fields, but what I am seeing in my field, I can share that only. So the trend that I am seeing currently in India and outside India is slightly different. So in India, if you see, most of the people are working with AI. If you see any corporate, like any projects or anything that are coming, there will be at least 30% projects that are coming in the AI or something related to AI, right? If you also see the Indian service-based companies, how they have explored their verticals, as they say it, right? So India may either people are building some application that leverages AI, that has a AI plugin in it, or they are directly using AI and a consumer of an application. So I think it will be beneficial if you are on the building team and it will help you grow as well. So remember this, I come from a data background, so I have understanding of how data works and how we solve big data problems, how we create pipelines. So from that, now I am trying to explore this data field. I had done previously courses on AI and I have a fairly good understanding what different models are going to use what, and also how to, like, how AI model understands my data. So what is the correct input for what model? So I worked on those. So I have an understanding of that. But I think that understanding at a deeper level will not help you a lot if you are in India, because in India, if you are working with AI, I don't think you will soon get the chance to build a model, because the work is happening outside and there are really a lot of engineers who have PhDs, masters who are already working on it. I don't think that work will get transferred. In India, what you can focus on is whatever they have built for you, how you can integrate in your data applications, in your applications, so that it becomes really powerful. And also, like, how cost effectively you can do, because it is really easy to send a lot of tokens to your endpoint, OpenAI endpoint, or whatever model you are using, and really drive up the budget. So, keeping all that in mind, I have filtered out a few courses which I am thinking I will take up. And if you also want to understand AI, and if you are in tech field, and if you want to code with AI, I'm not talking about using ChatGPT in VS Code. I'm not talking about that. If you want to build something that has AI capability, I think I have figured out a few courses. I will just show you those, and I've gone through the agenda of them more or less. One of them is like very elaborative, and it will tell you a lot about the concepts as well. But I think it will take you a lot of time and it will not have that much hands-on in it. Another one is just an hands-on kind of thing where you will actually be able to build things instantaneously. So yeah, let's get to my computer screen and I will show you. Now that you can see my screen, I will directly jump into the courses that I am thinking of doing. And the first course is this one, Associate AI Engineer for Developers. So there is also another version of it which is for data scientists. But I think getting into the nitty gritty much will not help you. So I am thinking of doing this one. If you go through the curriculum, you will see like it tells you how to use OpenAI endpoint, prompt engineering. This prompt engineering thing is like that a dependency injection only. Like it's a big term, but there is not very much to learn on it, I feel. Like there is things to learn on it, but it's not like that tough. You can have a checklist for your use case, and that's about it. So this kind of things, these are important LLM concepts. So this is what I was talking about, that it will teach you how LLMs are created and how like the data were fed into data should be fed into LLMs. So this is important. And yeah, I think this thing I have worked with before. So yeah, this is the course curriculum. I thought this was really helpful, and yeah, I also need to go through all of them. I am not sure. But this looked like a pretty comprehensive one, so this is my first choice. If you want both theory and also hands-on, and the good thing about this is also like teaching you the open source stuff, so you don't have a dependency on someone like any public cloud providers. Now, for me, I think I will do this one. This is for Azure AI Engineer Associate because I am already in the ecosystem. So, and this is, if you see, this is the intermediate level. And if you see, it's like pretty much reading. Like if you read and you go on Azure and you can create stuff. So, this I think is the most hands-on project. I think hands-on course among all these three that I have opened. But I think it's pretty good. I think I will start with this one, then I will maybe do the first one if I want. But yeah, I think I will definitely do this one, and this also comes with a certificate. So this certificate has value. So that is helpful. Uh, yeah, this one is important, I think, and it if you see, it only has about 34 hours, 35 hours maybe, 35, 36 hours, and you also get mini badges for all of this and this one. So I think it will be a good one. You will get a lot of hands-on, like you would be actually able to build something on Azure from end to end, because Azure has a lot of services that let you just pick things from Azure and your endpoint is ready. You can fine tune it there only. And this is the last one. This is, I think, if you are into, like, if you want to really get with those statistical graphs and understand how data should be fed into models, I think you should go for this. But I think this is already, like, when I'm making this video, I think most of the classes are already missed. You can see the schedule here. So most of it is already done. Most probably there will be one more they will organize. This has live classes, and also they have some kind of sessions where you can ask your questions. So this is good, but this is like a really deep dive. You know this is from these folks. They like it will take a lot of investment from you. And to be honest, like I don't know if that much information will be helpful for everyone. But since they have released this for free, if you can, you should maybe attend if you and see. If I was thinking that also, so I will like attend if you and see if I could grasp anything. So that's about it. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to see me complete any one of these. Maybe I will have a series that will also help me track my progress, right? Yeah. Thank you. That's about it. Yeah. Bye.